Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High-Growth Businesses. Lecture 8. Scaling and Growth Strategies. Developing a scalable business model, creating a growth strategy and execution plan, managing rapid growth and scaling operations, expanding into new markets and geographies, balancing growth with profitability and sustainability. Scaling and growth strategies. Scaling and growth are essential for any business to thrive, but achieving sustainable growth requires a well-defined plan. Without a clear strategy in place, businesses risk losing momentum or even collapsing under the weight of their own success. This is why it's crucial for companies to develop a roadmap that outlines their goals, identifies potential obstacles, and charts a course towards long-term growth. A successful growth strategy must take into account a range of factors, from market trends and customer needs to operational efficiency and financial stability. By focusing on these key elements, businesses can create a scalable model that allows them to expand without sacrificing quality or profitability. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve sustainable growth that benefits both the company and its stakeholders. Developing a scalable business model. A scalable business model is crucial for long-term success and growth. It involves designing a framework that can accommodate an increase in demand without compromising the quality of products or services offered. Key elements of a scalable business model include a strong value proposition, efficient processes, and a focus on customer needs. A strong value proposition is essential for attracting and retaining customers. This involves identifying what sets your product or service apart from competitors and communicating this effectively to potential customers. Efficient processes are also critical in ensuring scalability. This includes automating repetitive tasks, streamlining workflows, and leveraging technology to reduce costs. Finally, a focus on customer needs ensures that the business remains relevant and responsive to changing market demands. Creating a growth strategy and execution plan. Creating a growth strategy is a crucial step towards achieving sustainable business growth. It involves analyzing the market, identifying potential obstacles, and setting clear goals for the future. One of the most important aspects of creating a growth strategy is having a clear execution plan in place. This involves breaking down the overall strategy into smaller, actionable steps, assigning responsibilities, and setting deadlines to ensure that progress is being made towards the ultimate goal. Managing rapid growth and scaling operations. Managing rapid growth can be a double-edged sword. While it's exciting to see your business grow quickly, it also brings a host of challenges that need to be managed effectively. One of the biggest challenges is maintaining quality standards. As you scale up, it becomes more difficult to ensure that every product or service meets the same level of quality. To address this challenge, you may need to invest in quality control measures, such as automated testing or additional staff training. Another challenge is managing cash flow. Rapid growth often requires significant investments in inventory, equipment, and personnel, which can strain your cash reserves. To manage this challenge, you may need to explore financing options, such as loans or lines of credit, or consider alternative revenue streams to supplement your core business. Finally, hiring and training new staff can be a significant challenge when scaling up. You need to find the right people with the right skills and cultural fit, and then provide them with the training and support they need to succeed. To address this challenge, you may need to develop a comprehensive hiring and onboarding process, or partner with staffing agencies or training providers. Expanding into new markets and geographies. Expanding into new markets and geographies can be a great way to achieve sustainable growth, but it also comes with significant risks. Before entering a new market, it is important to conduct thorough research and analysis to assess the potential benefits and risks. This includes evaluating factors such as market size, competition, customer needs, and regulatory environment. Once you have identified a promising market, It is essential to adapt your products, services, and marketing strategies to local cultures and regulations. This may involve making changes to your branding, messaging, and product offerings to better resonate with local customers. It also requires a deep understanding of local laws and regulations to ensure compliance and avoid costly mistakes. Balancing growth with profitability and sustainability. Achieving sustainable growth requires a delicate balance between pursuing growth opportunities and maintaining profitability. It is important to ensure that growth does not come at the expense of long-term sustainability. Innovation, efficiency, and responsible business practices can help businesses achieve this balance. By investing in research and development, streamlining processes, and implementing sustainable practices, businesses can maintain profitability while also driving growth. Conclusion: scaling and growth strategies are essential for businesses aiming to expand their operations and achieve long-term success. Successful scaling requires a careful assessment of market opportunities, competitive landscape, and internal capabilities. Businesses should leverage data-driven insights and, whether it's entering new markets, diversifying product offerings, or targeting new customer segments, implementing efficient processes, investing in technology, and building a scalable infrastructure are critical to support the increased demands that come with growth. Moreover, strategic partnerships, mergers and acquisitions, and collaborations can provide access to new resources, expertise, and distribution channels. As businesses scale, it is important to maintain a customer-centric approach, ensuring that the quality of products or services and customer satisfaction remain top priorities. Continuous monitoring, analysis, and adaptation of strategies are necessary to navigate challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.